The Hindu Archik National Movement has decided to again knock on the door of the Government of India on the demands of implementation of the Inner Line Permit (ILP) in Meghalaya, resolving the long-pending border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam, and inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. Speaking to media at Maukarwat on Monday, Hanm President Lamprang Kharbani said that on the issue of long-pending border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam, the Ministry of Home Affairs, through the letter to the Hanm, has informed that it has directed the Central Division to look into the matter.
Jura jong kari pujung reo kita kata kalong ILP tin khasi bat karo bat kawai ka border issue